Okay. Now children, today I will ask you a question and you will give the answer by giving thumbs up. Here, see the picture here? This is thumbs up. And if you don't like the answer, you will give the thumbs down. Okay. You all of you will give the answer. If you don't like, you will give down. Okay. Very good. Now I will ask you questions. In this picture, see children? Okay. Now tell me children, is Buntu is helping the bird? Yes or no? Tell me children, who is he? He is Buntu. Okay, he is. Okay, is he helping the bird? Yes children, tell me. Give your answers. Is he helping to the bird? Yes? Tell me. Yes? Very good. Buntu is very kind to the bird. Yes? How can you know that Buntu is helping the bird? Yes? Because he is helping the curtain to fly out the bird. Yes? Very good. Buntu is very curious and kind to animals. He loves animals. Yes? Okay, we will give the answer like this. Yes? Okay. Now children, tell me, Buntu should keep the bird like pet or he should give to the class teacher? Yes? Can you tell me? Buntu should give the bird to the class teacher or should keep as a pet? Yes? No, because Buntu want to help the bird. Yes? He does not want to give to the teacher and does not want to keep as a pet. He want to fly away the bird. Yes? Okay. Now children, in this story, we have learned that. Can you tell me? Yes? We have learned that Buntu is very. Yes? Buntu is very good. Yes, he loves animals. He is very kind to animals. Yes. Okay, now see here. Now children, tell me, just like Buntu, we should also love the all animals. Yes, we should love all animals. We should care our pets. Yes, we should give them food. Yes, okay, we should not harm to the pet. Yes, children, in the story, just like Buntu helped the bird to fly away. Yes, we should also help the animals. Yes, we should help all the animals. Yes, and we should love all the animals. Yes. Okay, now children, did you understand? Yes. Did you understand the story? Yes. Okay, now give thumbs up. Yes. Okay, did you understand it? Okay, very good. Now